Jess gets out of the hole. And it became really light. Jess walked into the hole, into the forest, and it was kind of like a maze. Jess felt anxious and she stared off into the distance. She saw the damage. She was confused. She didn't know if she should go back or stay and walk. Then she stopped and she thought about Mum and Dad, and she seemed to have been lost in her own thoughts. She'd gone up and she saw the helicopter, and the helicopter came down for her, and then she found the twins.